Every great business starts with an idea. But turning that idea into a flame of success takes more than just dreaming. Like the bosses in the game have told us, there are strategies to attain success. You must first identify a problem that needs to be solved and come up with a unique way to solve it. Figure out a solution that gives an easier, faster, and better result. Once you have this solution, talk to potential customers. Find out if your solution excites people. Will they be willing to pay for it? Real-world feedback is your first reality check. Remember, no matter how brilliant you think your idea is, it's the market's opinion that counts. The third step is to create a solid business plan. This isn't just paperwork. It is your GPS to where you are going, and it must contain how you will get there. The fourth step is to source for funds to fuel your business. This could be from personal savings, family and friends, or even investors. Whatever the case may be, you need some money to get started. Then, you must build your brand. Your brand is your voice, your business personality, and your promise to customers. So you must make it memorable. Never miss spreading the word about your business. Use all the platforms possible to tell people about your products and services. Once your business takes off, make sure you plan your growth carefully. Never forget that turning an idea into a successful business is like planting a tree. Nurture it, adapt to challenges, and watch it grow. Stay passionate, persistent, and customer-focused, and your idea could one day change the world.